If you feel like your money is disappearing and you don't know why, you need a money detox immediately. This isn't just a budget. I have designed a specific 7-day protocol. We are rewiring your brain. If you follow this for just 1 week, you will change your entire financial trajectory for 2026. If you feel like your money is disappearing and you don't know why, you need a money detox immediately. This isn't just a budget. It is your complete financial reset 2026 and the only guide you need on how to save money fast. Let's be real for a second. We just finished the holidays. Maybe you spent too much on gifts. Maybe you traveled. Or maybe 2025 was just a tough year for your wallet. You look at your bank account and you feel that pit in your stomach. That feeling of where did it all go? Most people ignore that feeling. They carry those bad habits right into the new year. They stay broke. But that stops today. I have designed a specific 7-day protocol. This is the ultimate money cleanse. We are not just cutting out coffee. We are rewiring your brain. We are fixing your dopamine triggers. And we are setting up a system that builds wealth automatically. By the end of this video, you will have a day-by-day roadmap. If you follow this for just 1 week, you won't just save a few bucks. You will change your entire financial trajectory for 2026. Are you ready to stop being broke? Let's get to work. Day 1. The autopsy. Face the numbers. We call this the autopsy. You cannot fix what you do not see. Most people stay broke because they live in a state of financial blindness. You swipe the card, you hope it goes through, and you avoid looking at the app because you are scared of the number. Today, we stop running. Your task for day 1 is simple, but honestly a bit painful. I want you to log into your bank account and your credit card portal. I want you to print out the last 30 days of transactions. Yes, print them on paper. There is something psychological about physically holding your spending habits in your hands. Now, take a red marker. Circle every single purchase that was not essential for your survival. The Uber Eats. The streaming service you forgot about. The random Amazon purchase at 2 a.m. Circle it all, then add it up. When you see that total number, you're going to feel a shock. That shock is good. That shock is the wake-up call your brain needs to start the detox. This isn't about guilt, it's about data. You need to know exactly how much money is leaking out of your life so we can plug the holes. Day 2. The zero spend reset. Now that we know the damage, we move to day 2. The zero spend reset. For the next 24 hours, you spend exactly $0. Nothing. You eat the food you already have in your pantry. You drink the coffee you make at home. You don't buy gas today. You should have done that yesterday. You don't even buy a pack of gum. Why are we doing this? It's not just to save $20. We are breaking the dopamine loop. Modern society is engineered to make you spend. Scroll on Instagram, ads. Watch a video, ads. Walk down the street, shops. Your brain is addicted to the click-buy reward cycle. By forcing a zero-spend day, you are telling your brain that you are in control, not your impulses. You will feel the urge to buy something. You will feel that itch. Notice it. Then deny it. This is mental weightlifting. If you can go 24 hours without opening your wallet, you prove to yourself that you don't need to spend to survive. This confidence is crucial for the rest of 2026. Day 3. The Digital Purge. We live in the subscription economy. Companies love subscriptions because they rely on your laziness. They know you'll sign up for a free trial, forget about it, and bleed $10 a month for 5 years. That is wealth destruction by 1,000 cuts. Today, you go through your recurring charges. If you haven't used it in the last 30 days, kill it. Be ruthless. That meditation app you swore you'd use? Cancel it. The third streaming service you only keep for one show? Cancel it. The premium shipping membership? Cancel it. You can always sign up again later if you truly miss it. But I promise you, you won't. Here is a pro tip. For the services you do keep, call them. Or use their chatbot. Ask for a discount. Tell them you are thinking of cancelling. You will be amazed at how many companies will instantly drop your bill by 20% just to keep you. Day 3 is about reclaiming your monthly cash flow. Even if you only find $30 a month, that is $360 a year back in your pocket for doing 20 minutes of work. That is a great hourly wage. We are halfway through the cleanse. If you are already realizing that you have some habits to fix, do me a favor. Hit that like button. It helps this video reach other people who are ready to stop being broke in 2026. And if you want to master your money this year, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. We are building wealth together every single week. Okay, let's get back to the detox. Day 4. The cash envelope system, also known as the physical detox. We are going old school. Credit cards make spending painless. It's just plastic. It doesn't feel like real money. Research shows that people spend up to 100% more when they use credit cards versus cash. So for day 4 and for the rest of this detox week, I want you to use the cash envelope system for your variable spending. Take out cash for your groceries, your gas, and your entertainment. Put them in envelopes. When you go to the store, leave the cards at home. Here is what happens. When you are standing at the register and you have to physically hand over a $20 bill, your brain registers the pain of payment. You suddenly think, do I really need these fancy chips? Usually the answer is no. You put them back. You save money instantly. This reconnects you with the value of your labor. You traded hours of your life for those bills. Don't give them away so easily. Day 5, the Sell 5 Things Challenge. We need an injection of cash. By now, you've stopped the bleeding. Now, let's generate some income. Look around your room. Look in your closet. Look in that junk drawer we all have. You are sitting on hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars of inventory. Your challenge for day 5 is to find 5 items you do not use and list them for sale. Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Poshmark, it doesn't matter. That old jacket, that blender you never use, the video games from 2 generations ago, someone wants them. This does 2 things. First, it declutters your physical space, which helps your mental clarity. Second, it proves that you can generate money whenever you need to. You're not helpless. You have assets. Turn that dust into dollars. Take that cash and put it directly toward your credit card debt or into your savings. Do not spend it. This is momentum money. Day 6, the automation. We humans are terrible at willpower. If you rely on remembering to save money, you will fail. You will see something shiny and you will spend the money. So we are going to remove you from the equation. Today, you log into your payroll provider or your bank. You set up an automatic transfer. The moment your paycheck hits your account, a portion of it needs to instantly move to a separate savings account. Preferably one at a completely different bank, so you can't see it easily. Treat your savings like a bill. You pay Netflix every month, right? Why aren't you paying yourself? Set it and forget it. Even if it is just $50 a paycheck right now, automate it. By the time 2027 rolls around, you will have a pile of cash, and you won't even miss the money from your checking account. You adjust to what remains. This is the secret of the wealthy. They pay themselves first. We made it to day 7, the final day of the detox. Today is not about math, it's about mindset. You have audited your spending, paused your impulses, purged your subscriptions, used cash, sold junk, and automated your savings. You have done the heavy lifting. Now you need to define the destination. Why are you doing this? Not being broke is a good start, but it's not a vision. A vision is specific. Do you want to be debt-free? Do you want to buy a house? Do you want to take your wife on a cruise without putting it on a credit card? Do you want to quit the job you hate? Write it down. Put it on your fridge. Make it your phone wallpaper. When you are tired and you want to order takeout because it's easy, that vision is what stops you. That vision is what keeps you cooking at home. The 7-day money cleanse is just the launch pad. Your vision is the fuel that keeps the rocket moving for the next 12 months. 2026 is going to be your year, but only if you stick to the plan. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be better than you were last year. Progress, not perfection. If you do these 7 things, you are going to look back in a week and feel lighter. You will feel in control, and your bank account will finally start moving in the right direction. Up. I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 days sounds the hardest? Is it the zero spend day? Is it the cash envelopes? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found this helpful, please share this video with a friend or a family member who needs a financial reset. Let's hold each other accountable this year. Thanks for watching Mind Over Money HQ. I'll see you in the next video. Now, go fix your finances.